impression. I'm SpongeBob. Voice impression. Get back to work, boy. Voice impression. I'm Patrick. Usher. That's why they call me Verbal Ace Beatboxer from outer space. But I'm not only from outer space because I do beatboxing sounds and voice impressions, but also because I make real sound effects such as cricket, which goes. I think on the tree. Next sound effect, very difficult one. A sound nobody likes to hear when they first wake up in the morning. Alarm clocks, which goes. Very difficult sound too. Helicopters, they go like this. And in case you guys are wondering who does the sound of the subway train guy, that's me too, where he says, "Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we are being delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. Please be patient. Transfer is available to the Soul Train." Yes, the Soul Train. Anyway, that's why they call me Verbal Ace, Beatboxer from outer space. You guys can check me out on YouTube. Just go to youtube.com and type in Crazy SpongeBob Beatbox, or just SpongeBob Beatbox. It'll show all my videos, all kid friendly. I'm a starving artist trying to get back home, so if anybody could donate any quarters or pennies, I appreciate it. If not, glad you enjoyed the show. Verbal Ace, thank you very much, and stand clear of the closing doors. And watch out for the birds. Thank you.